Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so we're now exiting the Melrose Hill bypass and heading to Porus. So we're going to give you an update as to what's going on in Porus and Clarendon Park re the opening of the Maypen to Mandeville leg of the highway. Now that new leg, the Maypen to Mandeville leg bypass, it gives the people an alternative to driving on the old road. So from going from Maypen to Mandeville, you can use the highway, which is free. You don't have to pay a toll to use the highway until the end of the year. So you no longer have to go through Clarendon Park on your journey from Maypen or from Kingston to Mandeville. You no longer have to go through Porus because you have a highway, a super highway, first highway that you would see in a first world country. So we are going to go into Porus now to see what the place looks like. So you can imagine who would drive on this old winding road that's not good, full of potholes, when you have a highway that just opened, so you know it's not, that is free. So we are now in Porus, and there's no exit from the highway to Porus. If you're coming from Kingston to Mandeville, there is no exit. You have to go all the way up to the Williamsfield roundabout, go around the roundabout and come back down. So, let's see what's going on. So basically, if you're heading to the country, you no longer use this road. It's only people who live in the area or have some business to do in Porus that would use this road. However, the highway is only free until the end of the year. So, and they haven't announced how much the toll is going to be. So the price of the toll will also affect these areas, because if the toll is expensive, people will go back to using this road. But if the toll is cheap, they probably will just stay on the highway. Now, between Porus and Maypen, they have 6 or 7 gas stations. And it was in the newspaper that those gas stations have seen a significant fallout in business. So everybody's waiting just to see what happens re the toll rate. And in Clarendon Park, you had 2 very popular food establishments. They have both seen a fallout in business, but they both built second locations or are in the process of building locations somewhere else because they anticipated this kind of fallout. Well, I can tell you, there is definitely less traffic on this road than before. I wouldn't call it a ghost town, but definitely less traffic. A significantly less traffic for sure. We're also going to make a video of Clarendon Park, so you can look out for that one as well. Taxi just stopped in the road. It's unbelievable, the level of indiscipline. Porus Market looks like it's deserted. Now, if you can remember the old road, you had a lot of fruit vendors along the roadside. Very popular for fruits, especially tangerines and oranges. And their main customer was people traveling from Kingston, because this was the main road. Yep, this area has definitely seen a decline in business since the highway has opened. So they just have to hold tight until the end of the year, when they start to charge toll, and then hopefully some of the traffic returns. And if they had put an exit to Porus from the highway, I'm sure they would have had more activity going on here.